Every day, Golf Cart Garage gets a ton of calls and emails just like this one.
James writes in to ask, "Hi Dave, what are the best tires to put on my Yamaha golf cart?"
So it's time to Ask Dave right now on GCG TV.
Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us today in the Golf Cart Garage as we take a look at putting wheels and tires on a Yamaha golf cart. Most golf carts come from the factory with a stock size 18 to 18.5 inch tall tire. However, if you have a Yamaha G29, also known as the Drive model, this can be increased to 20 inches without a lift kit. In order to increase the stock tire clearance, however, a lift kit is needed. You can change the look, tread, and wheel without lifting a Yamaha vehicle, but increasing most models' tire size clearance requires turning a wrench, giving the wheel wells higher clearance, maybe doing some math to make sure we can still get the cart in and out of the garage. This is really the main consideration when choosing tires. The tire height will determine whether or not they can be installed to your cart. Once you've chosen your tire height, we can also look at tire tread and different wheels. Most tire heights can also be ordered in a number of different street or all-terrain treads and wheel sizes and colors. It's easy to see all of these options in the tires section at golfcartgarage.com. Many of the tires have also been placed in wheel combinations, and on these pages, you can change the wheel right there on the page to see the new photo and price. These combinations arrive on your doorstep, mounted, inflated, and ready to install right out of the box. You can place a larger tire on any number of wheels, from basic steel 8-inch wheels for utility carts, or dress it up with sport colors or chrome mag wheels, maybe a low-profile tire for a custom look. If you decide on a lift kit for larger tires, your Yamaha tire clearance increases to 20-inch tires with a 3-inch lift, 22-inch tires with a 4 or 5-inch lift, or 23-inch tires with a 6-inch lift kit. And while performing a lift installation, the shocks will be moved, so it's a great time to consider replacing them to support a lift kit, especially if they have wear, tear, or play in them, or if you have a rear seat, cargo box, or a heavy-duty application for the cart. Our selection includes lots of styles and colors, along with matching center caps and black or chrome lug nuts to help complete the custom effect. We also love to help with customizations or put together customer quotes for wheels and tires that you might have in mind, along with answering all your questions. So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. You can also send your questions by email to askdave@golfcartgarage.com. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCG TV.